Hey family, welcome to Vlogmas 2022. Let's get it, let's go.
Let's see.
This is the end of day 26. Freshly baked pound cake. Y'all know what I'm about to throw it together with, right? I know you know. Say, I know you know, baby. Y'all probably like, gosh, she think drink coffee before you going on. Yep, sure do. I ain't my coffee here. Look at all that coffee. Y'all know this is always full. All that coffee I drink. And yes, it was primarily me. And I'm having some at what? Boom, 10:19 at night. I don't know how to set the camera. Wipe that off. I don't like particles. I don't like particles. Sorry, y'all. That's why I keep my spoon. Alright. I have to keep everything. Alright, so yeah, I'm about to, and what I'm gonna do, what I do, I don't know. This is a good idea for you guys. I actually nuke my cake. So I'm gonna pop that in there for with my microwave, probably just 12 seconds. I don't know what's up with that thing, but it cooked like an oven. So I am going, yeah, I'm gonna hit it with a little couple 12 seconds because I don't actually want to. I just want the warmth as though my mother just baked it, which it was yesterday. Oh, and that German chocolate cake, y'all don't understand. It's over there going, hello, is it me you're looking for? All right, I'll be back. Look, I gotta do my stove too. Oh, I'm back on the best man. Can you believe they finally got married? OMG. Okay, yeah, this is like so good. Hey, good morning, guys. It's Tuesday morning. Gotta go get Josh to school and run errand with Hub. So we are up early. It's like 5 something. Let's getting closer to 6:30 because we could drop him at 6:30. But I'll see you guys in the next clip, okay? Guys, I think somebody's car got hit by a train. I don't know. It looked like they went in the ditch. Okay guys, today we're trying to get the house back to normal. I'm gonna throw all of this out. I'm washing dishes, trying to wake up. Gotta get all of this cleaned up. I wanna take all of this stuff down, rearrange it, and do the island as well. So we'll see how much we get done, but that's the goal, to get this back in order. I'm about to make some chili and cornbread. So. Okay guys, so okay, I'm trying to make sure. Alright, so I have done Jiffy cornbread mix in here. I'm sure most of you know what that looked like. I'm sorry I threw it out. This is chili from Costco. So I'm not making homemade. Not attacking that today, so I'm just gonna put that in here so it can run. All of this stuff is right on top, and I'm gonna let that slow cook while I prep the okay, for me, I cannot just eat something right out of the can how they give it to you. So I'm putting a little accent, and then I'm going to put a little of my nature seasoning. If I could get it open with you guys, I might have to put y'all down, you know. I'm trying to spruce up, y'all. I am. Yeah, girl. I feel like I am recovering, okay? I don't know how I'm doing videos, but okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of that because I don't want to do too much because it may taste pretty decent already. It usually does. You just add just a little, and then they said to keep stirring it and try to use your wooden spoons with your non-stick pots. I just grabbed what was close to me at the moment, but I'm trying not to scrape the bottom. And get that seasoning all mixed up in there. Then I'm going to cover that down and get started on the bread because the oven is at 400 already. Guys, I am gonna try it. This is Costco's chili. So let's see. It definitely has plenty of ground beef in it. And lots of beans. It is pretty good. I remember you guys seen me add a little bit of seasoning, so don't go get it and just take it right out and then be like, taste it first though, so you know what to add or not. I didn't do a lot, but I love it with cornbread. Okay, I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch. See you guys later. Y'all check out the boss whip. So y'all think he fly or what? So now he has this little Mercedes truck and this, which we're gonna try to get rid of the Mercedes truck. And then he also has a scooter with a seat down there. We gotta they just delivered that late today. So we're gonna have to try to get that one together, but at least this one he could. And y'all check out his plate. I think I'm going to personalize it and put it over here. And I'm gonna put the boss on the back. So cute, right? It's crazy. Yeah. Say, Josh the boss, that's your whip. All right. Okay, Christmas is all cleared out in here. We're back to normal. We have space. We have our produce area here. And our coffee bar is back to normal. Dishes are done. Everything is gone. Christmas rug is gone. The only thing I kept was the cookie dish right there. And once I find another one, I'll get rid of that. Alright guys, you know I always tell you, be better to yourself tomorrow than you were today. It's never goodbye. I'll see y'all later. Joshua got a cocomelon. This is for boys and girls, so y'all see the boy, but to me, you know, the colors look, but the seat and stuff is adjustable. He could stand up and look at him figuring it out already. You gotta pull the pin right here. Say, I'm home from school.